Welcome back to Duda Dojo with RivalMind, where we teach you all things Duda. I'm Linnea Solak, and today is the second installment of our two-part series covering buttons in Duda. In this tutorial, we're going to cover button design, which includes layout, sizing, color, and positioning. Let's begin. So as you can see here, I have a home renovation and construction website where I want clients to be able to request a quote from me. I have this new button that I've already placed here. I'm going to click on it and adjust the text really quickly to say, request a quote, and then click on the design tab. So first I'm going to show you how to walk through the layout of a button. I'm going to click right here on this arrow. It'll bring up all of the Duda presets that they have for button shapes. You can hover over and see what each hover state will look like when it's active. I'm going to click this round one because I think it fits best with my site. Just X out, scroll down a little bit, and you'll get to button style. This is where you can change the width and height of your button. You can drag it out here outside of the guide, but I prefer to set my width and height in here to make sure it's consistent across the whole entire website. So I'm going to set this one to 275 for width and then 60 for height. I like how that looks. It feels like a good size to me, so I'm going to leave that alone for now. If you scroll down, you'll get to the background section of the button. If you click more design options, you can see the hover options. I'm going to start by changing my background color. The white isn't really eye-catching enough, so I'm going to change it to orange. As you can see, it automatically changes my hover color to match my background color. So I'm going to click this and change this to green so that it's something different when it's activated. I like how that looks, but I wish that the text color on the orange button was white. You can change this by scrolling up, clicking on button text, and then going to hover font color, click, and change. Now it's white there. I want to change it originally too. I don't like the dark blue, so I'm going to change it to white for the regular font color too. If you ever don't like the changes that you've made to your buttons, you can always click this revert to global design button, and it'll change your button to the global design that you have preset in Duda. I'm going to undo that because I like the button that I've created. Right click, go back into edit design. Now we can work on positioning our button. As you can see, there's this little floating tab right here. I'm going to click that. That changes your button to a sticky button, which you can position anywhere on your site, bottom aligned, top aligned, or side aligned. You can do it left, right. I'm going to keep it in the bottom right because I think it looks better. There's also this toggle switch that says show on this page only. If you click this, it'll only appear on the page that you have it selected on. I only want this button on my home page. I don't need it to float everywhere on the site, so I'm going to leave that checked and X out. And that's how you design your buttons in Duda. Thanks for joining us. Part 1 of the series, linked below, covers button content and linking. If you're looking for other Duda tutorial videos, visit our channel below to view our library and leave us a comment about future Duda tutorials that you'd like to see. I'm Linnea, this is Duda Dojo, and we'll see you next time.